I've been involved with Greenwood Cemetery now for just about 8 years. I saw a newscast, a gentleman was complaining about the conditions of the cemetery, and I vaguely remember the conversation I had with my dad when I was about 9 or 10 years of age. I remember him stopping in front of a cemetery on St. Louis Avenue, and he said, "You've got family in that cemetery." So I came out that following Saturday to see if I could be a part of, the reclamation of the cemetery. When I got here, I found a forest. You couldn't see a single tombstone on the property. You couldn't walk through it. You couldn't see through it. It was so dense.
With honeysuckle.
Honeysuckle, winter creeper, all sorts of evasives. So I decided to get involved, and here I am 8 years later. Cemetery's almost 32 acres, and I probably have cleared 25, 26 of those acres.
Looks a lot different now, huh?
Oh, a lot different now, and very proud of what we've been able to accomplish here,
Yeah.
and especially for the families.
Our last burial was in 1993, and we have over 50,000 people that are buried here. We're telling the stories of those interred. When we first got involved 6, 7 years ago, you couldn't see a headstone from the road. So it's really been a wonderful journey for Raphael and myself. We both retired from our jobs to commit full-time to this, and we haven't regretted any of it.
Some days I do. So we couldn't do it without the help that we get, and you people coming today really bolsters our efforts, and you'll kind of get an idea of what all of this looks like once you get up here.
What Raphael and Shelley have accomplished here at Greenwood is phenomenal. Honeysuckle, what had really infested the entire 30 plus acres of cemetery, and it's a real battle. It takes a lot of sweat, blood, and tears to clear honeysuckle, and they've come a long way in opening the cemetery up for people to enjoy, for people to come and remember those in their family that are buried here. MDC became involved at Greenwood, and we were able to provide community conservation funding to help support work crews in here from AmeriCorps to remove honeysuckle alongside Raphael, and we really hope to continue that partnership moving forward.
Well, every time we uncover one, you get like in this frenzied feeling. You get excited. You can't wait to see who they are. I start looking up her history, anything I can get my hands on to see if there's something about her that I can learn. So many families have not been able to come back to honor their loved ones because the cemetery was overgrown from being abandoned. And so now that Greenwood Cemetery Preservation, now that they're here, they've been trying to do what they can.
Who would have ever thunk it, right? 8 years ago, that when I first walked into this jungle, that 8 years later I'm going to be sitting here doing an interview in front of my great-grandmother. And that is such an incredible feeling for me, and just a blessing. And I know she's listening in, and I hope she's proud of what I've been able to accomplish.